I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Hyderabad Dine In. Well, as of the moment, they are also open for takeouts and pickups. This traditional Hyderabad food of India has been widely appreciated for its fabulous use of herbs and spices, and we are so lucky that we have one authentic restaurant here in Cebu, and that is Hyderabad Dine In. And to be honest guys, I don't know what flavors I'll be expecting, but for sure it will be good because these are their best sellers. So what I'm having here is their vegetable samosa and chili paneer, their mutton curry with roti, and their special biryani chicken. Okay, let's start off with this roti, in which nga nato ibutang ato ang mutton curry. I'm not sure if ever I'm doing it correctly, but I know for sure ang curry isod na siya sa roti, and hopefully I folded it correctly also. Now let's have the vegetable samosa with the tamarind sauce, in which the sauce palang daan perfect na gyud kaayo. It really tastes good. Kanagaling sauce palang ulam na, di man obvious no? And it goes best with this chili paneer, in which another appetizer also. And lastly, let's have this special chicken biryani with the raita sauce. And yes, indeed, it is truly special. So to order, just visit the official social media account of Hyderabad, both in Facebook and in Instagram. And please don't forget to follow me also in all my social media accounts. And please do continue to stay home, stay safe, and just keep smiling.